Hello dear traders. For today's analysis I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So basically what I found on the 4-hour time frame is that we got a sell off of this critical pivot at 1.3293. And that sell off, we also had the news today, this morning, CPI year on year. But despite that, we got just a small reaction on the upside and then the sell-off. But now pound is in the critical support, and this is a very key pivot around 1.3210. I still see the rising. We have a higher highs and higher lows. We definitely got the upside trend intact. You can also watch from here to here, and you can definitely see upside trend intact. So I would like to watch for buying opportunities from here, and I think this can be a great zone where the buyers can load to eventually retest again 1.3295, and then there is even bigger potential for the retest of the 1.3415. So my advice is to watch for buying opportunities on the British pound versus US dollar, and because we have the upside trend and we got a key pivot support, previous resistances acting like support at this stage. So watch for buying opportunities, because if we can go aggressively lower, then potentially we can even clear 1.3125. That will indicate that potential sell-off. But for now, I don't see the reason. I don't see that this supply is that strong. So my expectation is the price can have a nice upside rally from this area here. Watching the gold market is still in consolidation. It's hard to say at this stage because market is trading near the middle Keltner line on the 4-hour time frame around 1929. So what we got here is we got still this reversal or buying tail or pin bar reaction here reversal, and then we got this downside leg, and this might be the ABC structure. So I think the most preferable scenario based on this in this example here is that we can retest 1937, 1940 at least, this recent swing high. Then there is a chance if this is a that we can go like here to revisit this high at 1948, and if we got like 100% expansion, if this is the example from here, then we can expect higher prices. But it's very hard to say at this stage since we're trading inside of this heavy sideways. But this is the most preferable scenario based on the current price section and current days so far. So watch for that potential, at least retest of 1940. Speaking of the crude oil, this is basically a clear situation. From my perspective, once we found this, this divergence or double bottom, hold that how you want, but it's bottoming pattern overall. We found aggressive buyers, and then buyers keep buying at the pullback. Sell off yesterday, they buy even more. So it seems like just the energy sector overall is absolutely strong. And after this sell off, we start to recover again, and it's looking like we can retest this 114.45 and maybe even try to revisit this high where we got at 126 or 128 level. So definitely watch for buying opportunities intraday on the pullbacks. And Bitcoin, there was a chance that we have this rising trend line, and this is still holding. So as long as this is holding, we can expect higher prices, maybe towards the 44,500, maybe 45,450. But for now, we're having the pullback, and market is trading towards this middle Keltner line, rising for our middle Keltner line. So if we don't see the clear sell-off with recontinuation, then there is a bigger chance that we can see higher price and another upside swing. So watch for buying opportunities on the pullbacks. Again, the case if we really sell off aggressively and have no reaction from buyers, then we can expect lower prices or the 37,950. That'll be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good day, trade safe as always, and see you tomorrow morning.